solve 36x cube minus 19x plus 5 equal to 0. Here they told us to solve, which means we should get the values of x. For that, here we have to change the x term. What I mean is, see, 36x cube in place of minus 19x. Now I write minus 25x plus 6x plus 5 equal to 0. This is your step 1. Next, what can be taken out common from these two terms is x. From this x out you get 36x square minus from this x out you get 25. In the same way, what can be taken out common from these two terms is plus 1. So this as it is, this no change, equal to 0. Now this quadratic, I will simplify it here. That is 36x square minus 25 equal to, in place of 36 I write 6 square x square minus in place of 25 5 square. So 6 square x square is nothing but 6x whole square minus 5 square. Now on this we should apply the formula a square minus b square, that is a minus b times a plus b. In place of a we have 6x, in place of b 5. So we get 6x minus 5, 6x plus 5. So in place of this quadratic we should write this over here. So this equation becomes x times 6x minus 5, 6x plus 5. This no change, equal to 0. Next, from this equation what can be taken out common is 6x plus 5. So 6x plus 5 outside. Over here we are left with this, that is x times 6x minus 5, and over here we are left with plus 1 equal to 0. So now 6x plus 5, you open up the brackets, you get 6x square minus 5x plus 1 equal to 0. Now we got quadratic. I will factorize the quadratic here, that is 6x square minus 5x plus 1. To factorize this, we should split the middle term minus 5x. In place of minus 5x, now I write minus 3x minus 2x plus 1. Next, what can be taken out common from these two terms is 3x. From this 3x out you get 2x, minus from this 3x out you get 1. Now whatever we got here, here also we should get the same thing. From this 2x gone inside, so outside we get minus 1. Even if you multiply and check, still you get the same thing. Now take out 2x minus 1 common. So here we have 3x and here minus 1. Now in place of this quadratic we should write this over here. So this equation becomes 6x plus 5, 2x minus 1, 3x minus 1 equal to 0. More, here they told us to solve, which means we should get the values of x, and over here we got product of brackets equal to 0. So to get x values we should equate each bracket to 0. That is 6x plus 5. equal to 0, 2x minus 1 equal to 0, 3x minus 1 equal to 0. To get x value from here, I should remove plus 5, so you subtract 5. You get 6x equal to minus 5. Now I should remove 6, so divide by 6. You get x equal to minus 5 by 6. Now here, I should remove minus 1, so add 1. You get 2x equal to 1. Now I should remove 2, so divide by 2. You get x equal to 1 by 2. Now here, I should remove minus 1, so add 1. You get 3x equal to 1. Now I should remove 3, so divide by 3. You get x equal to 1 by 3. So the x values that we got are minus 5 by 6, 1 by 2 and 1 by 3. This is our answer.